How to use it? Please follow me.
Open the battery cover, put on the battery, put a little gel to the faceplate of probe. Press power on button. Then move the transducer slowly over the lower part of the abdomen to detect the fetal heartbeat. You can adjust the sound by operating the sound button. FHR value and curve display mode switch. You can press the mode button to switch between curve mode display and value mode display. Please note, the unit will automatically power off in 1 minute if without operation. Thank you for watching. For more details, please read the manual.